They do me like Alice in Wonderland.
Stop that! He's tickles me.
It could be your cow, madam.
Kill joy. They kill person joy.
Madam, welcome.
Thank you. Coco.
Madam.
How are you?
I'm fine, madam. Small madam.
Kokoma, how
Welcome. Small madam, waiting you buy for me.
Don't worry, Kokoma. I bought plenty things for you.
Ete bon. Madam. I want you and Coco to come and buy meat for me. Okay? Okay.
Okay, madam. I come. Make I collect money inside. No, madam. Make I carry your work for you now. Hey, madam. Wait, let me open the door. Welcome. Welcome.
Ete. Coco.
Yes, madam.
I sent you to buy meat for me. Why did you buy dog meat?
Madam, I don't say make we buy am.
Yes. Say it. Why would you do a thing like that?
Sorry. Madam, the honorable panel of children. Well done. I want to say thank you, God, for giving me this opportunity to express myself. Thank you for that. Too. Now, this document we see is for rich people and myself. So that's why I buy it. Don't see document in minimum. I'm telling you. And the kind of dog this I buy is a political document.
You've not answered my question. Who told you to buy dog meat for me?
My sense.
Your sense?
Yes. My sense tell me to buy dog meat. Because now, since dog meat is for big people, I look my Oka. Oka na big man. You know resemble who go eat dog meat? For. See him, if you see him now, you resemble the species of the dog where I.
Are you crazy?
Yes.
No, answer me. Are you mad? How dare you refer to my parents in that manner? What an insult!
It's okay. Ete, I want you to take that meat back to wherever you bought it from and bring back my money.
Madam, that's where it's going to be hard. It could be difficult because as we don't buy them,
Say school. No, tell me, say school. I don't want the meat again. So bring back my money.
Madam, listen to yourself. If you talk put for tape recorder, you play back, you listen to yourself. How do you think, sir?
Are you crazy? Are you mad?
Listen, it's okay.
Dad, you don't see anything.
Just sit down. It's okay.
What do you want me to say, son? Slaughter them?
Your mother knows what to do. Are you still standing there?
Small Uga. I mean, see this fix where they fix now. Now London fix. Because if na Nigerian fix now, hey your mommy, before you spell 1, 2, 3, my teeth go down the ground.
Leave me alone! Let me show him what I'm waiting for.
Okay. Sit down. Your seats.
How many days don't you?
You're still standing mad! Just imagine.
You are not doing anything. I just talk that only your sister alone. He push you down for the whole fight. How you will take fight real person? That's just the truth. You need training.
It's a bomb. Just get out.
Sorry.
Just get out.
I know. I'll go. Thank you very much.
I said get out! You're still standing here. Get out! Go! Go!
See my spirit not a lie. See my spirit and my mind, them be twins. My spirit not wake up early in the morning. You wake up, you tell my mind something, and that thing be lie. My spirit don't tell my mind this morning, nah. He said, you don't begin to get external affairs. What person?
Every time your spirit could tell your mind, your spirit could tell your mind. As you know, Chris surface my thing, now another person can't surface her.
Now what you don't give me with that? Huh? Oh, Mama said, you me. I didn't tell you. See, different name go baptize. The two of us now if you don't tell me the person.
They just they make noise full every year. Person see you, they make noise now. You could think say you can't waiting I do you. You know my value for this house.
You don't say I don't know yet.
You don't know my value now.
Good now you don't say I don't know your value. Shoot me for gun if it happens to talk that kind of thing. Me, you don't say you don't know your value again. When you know how much me I love you, you talk that kind of thing, give me. Oh! You see heaven? Heaven go fall. I go bring heaven, make you fall down the person where they carry my thing, the job. See, they give up. Go to take.
I beg, no, they make noise for you.
Oh!
Nobody do anything. Nobody do. I just stay you.
You say waiting.
Nobody do anything. If I tell you, say I could give person, so you could believe me.
Sorry, ma'am. Don't do like this. That it doesn't say if you know the rich like this, person get hard attack. No, the room here pray full again.
If you want to touch me. You know, she say rain one fall.
As you don't talk now, she say rain the fall. Until let us go and do rain something. Wait, let me suffer the environment.
Edeva, please come. Please, I want you to help me do something.
Send me any message now. What am I for? I am at your service.
Okay. Please, I want you to help me rub my back. I'm having this sensational pain at my back.
Your back have sense. Or okay, your sense they your back.
No, Etembo. I mean, I want you to help me scrub my back. Help me massage it.
That's my own hand will rub your back.
Yes.
But I know if you do back rubbing and massage because you know say I know we one doctor, so I don't know the real place where I go. Touch.
It's okay. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you. Yes. So come with me. Okay? I'll be waiting. Hey, Tebo, please don't keep me waiting. I'm waiting.
You're waiting. You know they're waiting now. You still they go. This girl don't know she the yoke with her. Okay. Split highway to hellfire.
What did you say?
I'm not saying anything. I just swallow spit.
Etebo, I want you to make me feel like a woman.
You know be woman before? Or you want make I pierce your ear again? Or you don't close?
Come on, Etebo. That's not what I'm talking about.
What are you saying now?
I want us to, you know...
You know what?
Okay, I want you to make love to me.
I don't want to. I don't want to cheat on my wife because I don't like to malpractice.
Wife?
Yes.
Are you married?
Yes.
To who?
You know my wife now.
No, how? Who?
Okon.
Me. Kokoma, the house help.
Yes.
Wait.
What's in the laugh now?
Kokoma is your wife?
Yes now. Why they laugh now? What's funny?
She's a cheat.
Cheat to get what?
She's having an affair with my dad.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Yes.
It's a lie. It's not possible. I know my wife.
It's boy, it's the truth.
I know my wife. I trust my wife. You know if you do that kind of thing.
Come on. She doesn't deserve you. We're a perfect match. You know what? Let's stop this married or not married. Let's just get down to what we have.
I'm not going down.
Come on, come here. Oh.
Don't climb me up. Don't climb me. This thing is illiterate wrong. You know the year what? It is done. It is done. Kokoma.
Itebong.
Iyan gebrere meden diri dua. Kokoma.
Itebong.
Kokoma. What you gonna do?
You cannot do me anything.
So you never allow make waiting at a dog. You even learn for grand safe. You breathe. Yeah? You even go down. You even fire me. Reply that. Kokoma, what you gonna do?
You cannot do me anything.
You cannot do you anything. Kokoma, so you're the middle. You're the middle of this whole wahala between me and Oka, my humble self, and Oka. So me and Oka, we nang the chop for the same pot of soup. Me, and Oka, we share my property. Okay. Okoma, between you and Oka, who first person?
Which kind of question be that? How me I could take first, Oka? Oka see my value. Oka force me.
So you even agree that you commit the act? So you run? Look up, ma. You know my mouth is not a close. I go tell people. Come on now.
I beg you, no carry anything.
Wait it up. I don't go. You hello. You look at what pass me like that when you know you have committed adultery. Eh? I must tell community. Community must judge this case. Community. Community. Hey, man, hear what? Yes, waiting. Huh? Where even they go safe?
Will you open the gate? Now.
Open this gate. You don't get leg to come open them yourself. You don't open this gate. You be like Abraham.
Has something come over you, Etembo?
Something come over what? Whether you go come under or above or beside. It concern you. Now your body doesn't come. Huh? Okay, why you do one?
Do what?
Do what? Okay, why you leave your own wife as she find rich? You go begin the struggle wife with me. Why you go sleep with my wife?
Who told you this?
Who told me this? Is there anything that's hidden under the sun? Eh? Okay, you think say you go do some among this girl? You go I don't me a walk. Eh? Small soft somersault. And person no go no? The Olympic game where you participate in?
It's like you've forgotten who you're talking to.
I know who I talk to. I know since I talk to my oga, my fellow oga will leave his own wife. He go begin to pursue my wife, he go to sleep with my wife. Oga, I tell you true. Now my mind, my church man now hold me and judge me right now. Because if nobody say you be my oga, I for you say make John the fire you here inside that motor. But I don't feel joke am. You know the rich like this. I go just look you. I say see as you be like monkey. You understand? I say, but I don't feel talk that kind of thing.
Okay, open my gate, please.
Open which gate? Okay, take your time. Okay. You don't fuck up. You are a real fuck up. I tell you. Go do something. Settle voice so that CNN and other broadcasting yammes will not distribute the news.
Okay, name your price.
Nothing be that. Okay, you go buy me phone.
Okay, I'll buy your phone.
Okay, you never you go put 100,000 inside my bank account.
What for?
What for? What did they carry money for? Do. Okay, go put 100,000 inside my bank account now for mouth closing allowance. That be the thing. If not, if you don't put the 100,000, I don't know the thing. If it just escape come up from my mouth, I hold them, you know, go again.
Okay, I will do that when I come back.
100,000.
Yes.
Okay. This is called primary one. Okay, you see this license where you don't start the repair, so they renew them. Yeah, maybe just one day. You know, be like bride price. When you don't pay, no. Now license, they renew. Sometimes daily, sometimes week, sometimes month. But I go prefer daily.
Now, can you open the gate?
No, yam.
One day for the owner of the house, girl. Oka don't do bad thing. Oka, why you do am? We will show am pepe.
Telling you, very soon, you will just sell all this house. Give me money. You never start then. Don't move your man. If you not chop carry full a whole bucket, you know go fit. No sir. Like play. Today I am a proud owner of a phone. And above all, 100. This one way you do like this, huh? You smile, you happy. I hope you never win jackpot. Or what's happened?
Okay, don't promise to give me the money.
Come on, was here. Ikuro.
You don't need thief?
Ow.
Where you go thief phone?
I never thief any phone. Now, can you buy me this phone? Yes. Okay, now give me the money. Where is phone? I tell you, seriously. You know what's happened? We go use this Oka. Can you buy Oka go solve? Ingo solve until he cry. I tell you, he must go cry. Is he on top of his head? Now we go make all the money we go make. Carry up, go back to Okwa. We go marry. When we marry, we go to free education for Okwa.
Okay, true talk. Go use the money, do our wearing. We go finish, come go free education. Then we go come use the remaining money go buy land.
Yes, we must buy land. What our name?
Our tutu name.
Yeah, my mom is young.
Our tutu name.
Yeah, come.
Not now. Make I go back to my job. I just say make I come give you good news.
That's good news, gossip.
Breaking
Breaking news.
Because you don't come back. Dah, boring banget.
Try. I like my taste. I can marry. I can laugh. I can marry. Say. I can laugh. Say.
Oka don't do bad thing, oh. Oka, why you do amo? We go show am pere. Yedam yempo. Big Oka don't do bad thing, oh. Oka, why you do amo? Now we go punish amo. Yedam yempo. Oka, you know they sleep for your room. You dey do play with house girl. Every day for the owner of the house. One day for the owner of the house girl. Oka don't do bad thing, oh. Oka, why you do amo? We go show am pepe. Yedam yempo. Oka don't do bad thing, oh. Oka, why you do amo? Now we go punish amo. Yedam yempo.
Who you be? Wait, come now. You want to break down this gate?
No. You.
Who you say you be?
I be from Ege Akwayabam said.
They don't train you, the thief, and you never even graduate from the thief. Then tell you make you come practice your armed robber skills for inside this compound because they know say the chief security officer of this compound. Now from Akwayabam, maybe so.
You.
You don't fail. You don't fail. See, if you talk to say you from Akwayabam, that means that you sabi my language. I mean, good mom.
Ege.
See, you hear my language. Damn it. Dapat bang bagay nyo? Suyo ko siyang? Dapat nyo? Suyo ko siyang? Tiang ko ganun? What? Tiang ha? What? Bangin wa? You're from Akwayabam! Eh? Son, we are come inside. I was going inside. Calm down. Eh? I even disrespect you. Which part of my boy where you from? You can't be like monkey. Hmm? Waiting. Don't do monkey style now. Behave like a real boy with blood. Calm down. Wow. Yeah, where we live now, responsible people in this day. If you want to be stupid responsibly. I don't give you the visa into this compound. Follow me. Quiet.
For the owner of the house, one day for the owner of the house, girl.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Compliment. Okay. This young man in my far right, now my brother and now my friend. He come all the way from Akwa to come visit me.
So what can I do for him?
In name Edo. In come here. I say, I look at. I know they say you be philanthropist. I come say, how could they stay here? Why in Gore, hungry Gore Mamara? After a small time, I go thief person, go thief person fast because of hunger. Make him come here, come work. So that they go follow the pay him salary from your money.
Etebo, did you keep any work for him here? Eh? I'm asking you.
No, and I no keep work for him. But the thing be say, I don't see the condition of my work and the nature of my work. I can't see say some of the times they don't say men. Some of the times I weak. Some of the times I give myself leave. In the place where I know that I ain't go just take cover up for me. This man, it's as you see, it's a this war. Now only partiality, I do make I know doctor say this man's this work past me. Serious. He come highly recommended.
Yes, sir. I survey the work well. That is why from my village and they call me Ozo and never die at all.
Shut up! What do you take me for? Oh, you think I run a charitable organization? Or a zoo where all sorts of animals are kept?
Okay, when that what? Sorry, perfect. It's waiting we do now. We come call us animal. Waiting we do you now.
Okay, sorry. Let me go.
No come, no vex. I know.
Young.
No, I know say that thing. It be the cause resemble you. You feel she be animal. Calm down. Okay. This thing where if I tell you, say you no vex me, I lie. Okay, remember.
Remember what?
I be CNN, no. I be CNN.
Enough is enough. Leave my presence now.
Okay, you know the fear.
Are you out of your senses? In my own house?
No, sorry. Okay, now, two things will happen. Either or neither no. Nothing will happen.
Kokoma. Okay. Tell this fool you call your brother to leave my presence now.
Okay, you rehash. You still call and say na my brother, you talk like this. Go. Okay, say no one see you here.
Okay. Problem. Let's go.
No, be madam on be that.
Madam. Madam, don't come back. Very good. Let me go and personally welcome Madam into the compound. Today, welcome her. Breaking news there. Here is the news in detail.
Look, Etamo, as you're going out there, don't try anything funny.
I know you try anything for Madam!
I will employ him.
Is it?
I said I will employ him.
Thank you. Now, open your mouth and let me see. You be bad boy. Now when you move from my way, make your God respect you like this. And everything you want to know. There it now. Nagoro. Just the other. Nagoro. Now lie you talk. Now which native doctor doing for you? Native doctor. You call native doctor. Now your mother head now I carry go to the yo-yo. I carry am with 2 good head where they blind. I carry am go to the yo-yo. You go fit do your own. You no.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Mom.
This is what I begin fine. Which is she tell you? In everything with 1 year. Huh? Mbozo biography. So you enter this road, you go mad, enter this road with me, man, and enter. Very soon, I go back throw you. Ya talking anybody inside me, you know. You know why I obo.
I want to ask you for the last time. Are you dating my father?
Me, I don't know waiting you and no cat or avec. Na trouble you just define so. You just leave me alone. Mbok.
I should leave you alone. He said, you better tell me the truth right now. Because if I find out that you are dating my father, I swear to Almighty God, I will not spare you.
This one na trouble, you just stay fine, oh. Na trouble. You just stay carry court name, they swear anyhow. Even my Bible tell me, say, thou shall not use the name of God in vain. Because of that thing where you define where you know I'm talking. You stay do anyhow.
Hold on, are you talking to me?
Okay. I go give you. I think it's this my thing. This thing. One touch. Touch one hand.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me or what?
I think it's because of this thing you require with me anyhow.
Just a minute.
P stands for Peter. B stands for Shh.
You've got it. Damn.
Balon. P stands for balloon. P for Peter. No.
Come on.
Everybody in the house.
So what?
For inside this place.
No, I can lock the door, okay? Come, just take it.
Yes.
cross my path. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
But I don't understand what you're talking about. Anything where you talk, that one now your business for your pocket.
Oh, keep quiet. Can't you understand, Kokoma? We are sick and tired of you in this house. Can't you get it?
Says who?
Tricia, why don't you let this poor girl be? Why? I mean, all this your ranting is becoming unbearable. Are you the only one in this house?
Oh.
Vincent.
Yes.
What has she given to you? Oh no, this is not ordinary. What has she given to you? Kokoma, what have you done to my brother? You know what? Your plans have failed. This time, you won't succeed. Yes.
Hey, cut the crap, okay? She didn't give me anything. It's just a piece of advice. It's obvious you don't like her, you hate her. So why don't you keep your parts from hers?
Vincent!
Yes.
You know what, Vincent? Mommy must say this. Trust me.
What are you waiting for? Go ahead. Don't think I don't know we are all in this game together, okay? After all, I see your moves with a tape bunk.
Cheap blackmail.
Hey, nobody's blackmailing each other here, alright?
Vincent, Etebo is my choice.
Just like Kokoma is my choice. Why don't you play along, kid sister?
No, Vincent. She's a low life. No history. No present. No past. Vincent, she's not your class. She's not.
Just like a tape bunk is not your class. Alright? Now you take this piece of advice. Please, and please, end your grudges.
No, I can't. I can't stand and watch my brother swim in the ocean of HIV and AIDS and just sit back and do nothing. No way. I won't let it be. You better let her go.
Now I see my kid sister just being consigned. Oh, thank you very much. But on the contrary, I choose to swim. Oh yes. If you excuse me. Kokoma, baby.
Vincent! Vincent!
Come, baby.
Vincent!
Where you at? That's my baby. Yeah.
Yes, come in.
You called me.
Yes, I did. Please sit.
I have sat.
You may be surprised why I called you. I called you here to inform you of the new development. Etebo,
Small madam.
please stop calling me small madam.
Okay, big madam.
Oh, please stop all this madam. Just call me by my name. I'm waiting.
Tricia.
Etebo,
Yes, ma'am. Tricia.
I want to ask you something.
Ask, and it shall be given.
Do you love me?
Yes. I love you. I love you 99. I love my mother 1. I love you past my mother.
Etebo, I'm not joking here. I just asked you if you love me.
Yes. I love you. If I serious past this not dead body.
I'm pregnant.
Eh?
Are you running away?
No. Say, this room hot. No, they run. I not run go anywhere. I just stand so that I can receive the information.
I just told you I'm carrying our baby.
Our what? Our what? Me, you and who?
Are you trying to deny your responsibility? Are you?
Say, why me? Why me, Lord? Why me? Why me, Lord? Why me? Why me, Lord? Why me?
So what did he say?
He say make I come out time.
Coco, you know I'm your friend. And it's just me and you in this place. Tell me the truth. Who got you pregnant?
Now, Oka.
Oka. Anyways, it's a good thing that you know who got you pregnant. So, what are you going to do now?
I no go fit kill anybody. I no go fit comot my pikin.
Coco, that's a very good decision. Abortion is bad though. It is very bad. I urge you to hold on to your faith. Hold on to it firmly, okay?
Yeah,
hold it on.
I don't hold my faith, tete. I don't hold. I no go fit kill anybody. I no fit kill my baby. Because it's only God that know whether that baby will become a governor tomorrow or even president.
Exactly. You see, nobody knows what that baby will become tomorrow. Anybody that advises you to do abortion hates you with passion.
So Oga hate me.
Coco, I did not say Oga hates you or he hates you. All I'm saying is that abortion is bad. And anybody that advises you to do abortion is a very bad person. Yes.
I don't talk. I think the thing since. I no fit kill anybody. I no fit. No fit. Especially my baby. No fit.
Oh, good.
I no fit.
Anyway, don't worry. God will see you through. Okay, I need to start running back to the shop. Don't worry. I will come back to you.
Ete? What is it? Why are you crying?
I know they cry. I dey sing.
You dey sing?
I dey sing love song. And the love song, it is very, very emotional. So, tears, it come out from my eye because of the emotion.
Really?
I dey sing love song for my native language. It go like this. Sunny Maka na we my fool. Sunny Maka na we my fair. Sunny Maka na we my fool. Na we my fair.
Stop. It's okay. Come and buy something for me. Hey.
Kasi make nyo bamba. So this man, if he allow the gate to reopen, he can't sleep. See as he sleep like pig. My friend, stand up.
Why you wake me now where they discuss with my God?
You, they discuss what God.
Oh, God don't suffer. Instead, make God discuss with you. God go discuss with devil. I tell you. It even tell me how he created the world. God tell you how he created the world. No, wait. You well? He won't give me message for you. Message for me? So what's the message? He said you should leave things under skate. Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you. And thunder will fire you with small rain. He add fire you. See him? You grace? I know say thunder will fire me, but remember say HIV is real. It is real. HIV is real. You point me say HIV is real. You do HIV is real plus Real Madrid. Thunder then go fire you with HIV. You go start. You see this your baby? You go start from there. You go to dry. You go dry, reach every part of your body. Before you know I'm now, you go there like bone. Where inside I get it. Thunder fire you there. Simeon, person where just bring come this house, you come the job 8 day real. Thunder with a little bit of lightning, now go fire you.
See, Okarong fix well.
Fix? Why be that?
No be you say make I go tell Oka, may I land build house for me? No be you.
And what thing happen? He fix. Over a small thing. I don't bring down any voice, anything. He fix the waiting. What's happened now? What's happened? Come on for me to say make if I land build house give me. Now they fix. He knows he waiting to fix about. Before I go to fix investigation, go look for what he go fix about. When is he waiting to fix about what he go do? You know, carry rope, go under fan, where he go hand himself commit society. No be so. See, whether I like him or not, at this one, whether I like him or not, he must buy land, build house, give us. I command him by the order of Lucifer.
How Lucifer take you in for this one? You can't say by the order of Lucifer, carry your 2 hands, keep your eye for up like this.
My eye know they up. You don't come down now.
You won't kill Oka? See, if you won't kill Oka, me. That's all.
Waiting there your hand. See, whether Oka like him or not, he must do buy land. Build a house. Give us. Make we take enjoy. Whether he like him or not.
Me, I know you also understand this one way they talk like this. So, if you want kill Oka, me, I know they fall for this kind of talk at all.
No, go, guys. Am I going off of your video? I won't take do this one now. Nanam there. Which kind of problem be this? I don't think about I won't take to solve this problem. I don't know. Getting gum. You for young. I go I go ting. Palo. You gonna scatter what you go room now? Chai. Which kind of thing be? You help me so do suggestion now. Give me. You better think fast, because me I don't want to go back to the street again. I better think fast. You don't want to go back to that street. This economy, if you don't give better suggestion, make us a boss. I tell you, not be only street you go back to. You go back to Express, Ring Road, Trong Air Road, Federal Road. Now go stay. You grace. You are going to feel if you boom back off your field. Jesus. Siam. You tell me as waiting as my wife. Yes, he be like Jerican. You are going to feel. We even know if this thing where this girl they talk not true. See, too. You enter this road, they come out, they come out. Dude, I run the plan, I go take enter. Itu bong. Oh. Say. You do the job. What is it mean? Steady. You want me to come here, our voice? Okay, now. What's going to happen is that you know that that's natural. Woman no they give picking name. Nariman, that's the father of the child. So now, I don't give you the fatal power. Go on, I don't delegate the fatal power, give you now. On behalf of me, you can give my child name. You can call, even if a woman call, I'm a table on you now.
You're not going anywhere. You got me pregnant and you want to leave me here and run away? Why? I'm living with you. I'm living with you.
You don't know. Listen. You won't make your mother or your father come and catch us do fighting. It's not fair now. Now like this, even the marriage go work. Now like this, the marriage go work. I didn't forget this. Good. That's my girl. See, I cannot stay in this house with you. You know that's possible. If it's no good. Meaning that I cannot stay in the house with my father-in-law, Ibiel. So I have to go and hustle. Go on. When I prepare a place for you, and then I can invite you to come and join me. Not now. So you have to wait. Some of courage. Wait here. You have your mother, your father, everybody needs to give you company. You will not be lonely.
See, Etebo, this is what you're saying concerns you. As for me, I've made my decision. I said I'm living with you, Etebo. I'm living with you.
You made your decision?
Yes.
Which is?
Your people shall be my people. When you're buried, I shall be buried too.
Back to sender. Well, Jesus, so this is what you plan. This is what you plan.
See it then.
Yeah! You plan burial for me.
I don't wish you dead. Neither do I wish to stay in this condition. Are you trying to run away from your responsibilities?
You know I am a responsible man. I don't run away from my responsibilities. I go wear slippers, run. I don't go wear trainers.
Okay, then if you're not running away, just wait for me. Let me go upstairs, pack my things so we live together, please.
Hey! I don't suffer. We think do will make me and this girl meet. I know I am innocent. But you are guilty. You see what thing you cause? You see what thing you cause?
Tiro, why you can't sit down here and cry like this?
Why did you and your brother do this? Where will I go from here? Huh? Where will I go? I better die here.
King Inwa, you put Agiri, man, you fucked before eating. Say, my when it's some get tongue on me, ya tongue King Inwa. Na me cut because sit down here and die. Me where this I leave. No be die I did yes.
Thank you.
Go na mo yung bagay yang calculate boggy wood.
What are you still doing here? Pick your property and leave my compound.
Oga, they not come with them together. Oga, they came before me. Oga, please, I can't go with them now. Oga, please.
Listen, I don't want to repeat myself. Leave my compound now!
Didn't you hear him?
Get out!
Something stronger than cricket has entered cricket house.
Get out at once!
Where will I go from here? Maybe we leave this house in a heaven.
We'll go back village.
Are you silly? Are you stupid? Get out!
Look at, and where do you think you're going with that luggage?
Daddy, I'm living with the father of my unborn child.
Did you hear yourself? No, wait, Trisha. Did you in any way hear yourself? That you're living with the father of your unborn child? Oh my God.
Tricia, let me pretend I did not hear you. But don't let me change my mind. Get back inside.
Oh yeah. At once. Get up and go inside! Go inside!
And compulsory education day. Walk.
Nobody.
What kind of nonsense? What? Again, you don't have among you.
Get up! Trisha!
You guys make me a hostage in my own house. Extorting me. Enough is enough.
Get up! Get up and go inside.
And you!
Get up and go inside.
Are you?
Go inside.
Get back inside. Take one of them out.
Oka don't do bad thing, oh. Oka, why you do amo? We will show am pete. Iena mi empo. Oka don't do bad thing, oh. Oka, why you do amo? Now we go punish amo. Iena mi empo. Oka, you know they sleep for your room. You they do play with house girl. Every day for the owner of the house. One day for the owner of the house girl.